Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic wireless transaction protocol. The transaction protocol is on the top is a top of either datagram protocol or securities is required the transportation layer security protocols. In this WTP has been designed to run on very thin client such as the mobile phones. So the advantages of the wireless transaction protocol, it improve the reliability over the datagram services, and also it improve the efficiency over connection oriented services, and it is support for transaction oriented service and such as web browsing. So the three classes of WTP transaction services, the class 0, class 1, class 2. Here the main goal, what is the main goal of W wireless transaction protocol? It is a different transaction services that enable the application to select the reliability, efficient level, and then low memory requirements suited to simple devices that are less than 10 kilobytes. The efficiency for wireless transmission, the wireless transaction protocol has support to peer-to-peer and client-to-server and multicast applications, and efficient for wireless transmission. So it is support for different communication scenarios. That is a class 0. The class 0 is an unreliable message transfer. That is, it provide unreliable transfer without any result, and also a datagram that can be sent within the content of an existing session. And the class 1, it is reliable message transfer without resulting messages. So the confirmed invoke message with no result message, it is used for data push where no response from the destination is expected. So the class 2, it is a reliable message transfer with exactly one reliable result message is confirmed invoked message with an one confirmation, and also the result message is a single request to produce the single reply. So the WTP achieve the reliability using the duplicate removal and also the retransmission acknowledgement and unique transaction identifiers. No class record any connection setup or trade down paces. This avoid unnecessary overhead the communication link, and also it allows for synchronous transaction about of the transaction concentration of messages, report success or failure of reliable messages. So the three service primitivities offers by the WTP are a transmit invoke to initiate a new transaction. So the new transaction to send back the result of the previous initiated transaction to about an existing the transactions. Now, the transactions it is a it is reliable data transfer based on request replay paradigm. It is a no explicit connections. The setup or tear down. It is optimized setup. That is a data carried in first packet of protocol exchange. They seeks to reduce the three-way handshake on initial request, and also it support header compression, segmentation, and reassembly, retransmission of lost packets, and also the selective retransmission, port number addressing, that is a UDP port number, and flow control, and message oriented, it is not streaming. and support an about function of outstanding request and support concentration of the PDU. It support user acknowledgement or stack acknowledgement option, and acknowledgement may be forced from the WTP user. The upper layer is a default is a stack action. Now the type of VDU, that is a wireless WTP wireless transaction protocol PDU, that is a invoke PDU. That is a invoke PDU is nothing but the it used to convey a request from a initiator to a responder, and acknowledgement PDU it used to acknowledgement and invoke or result PDU, and result PDU it used to convey the response of the server to the client. And about PDU, it used to convey the response of the server, and it observed the transaction facilities. And then segmented invoke PDU and segment result PDU, it used for segmentation and reassembly. And then the negative acknowledgement of PDU, it used to indicate that some packet did not arrive. So the wireless transaction protocol, the class 0, it is a unreliable message transfer without result messages. In this class, the responder does not acknowledgement and the initiator does not perform any retransmission. The transaction is stateless and cannot be observed. It requested with the transmission invoke and request primitivities parameters or SA, SP, DA, DP, A, UDC is equal to 0 H. So the source address and the source port, destination address, destination port, the acknowledgement flag if the responder of wireless transaction protocol should generate an acknowledgement, or if a user acknowledgement is used, and also the UD user, the user data, the class type which is 0 for these classes, and handle the simple index to unique identify the transactions. So the basic transaction of this wireless transaction protocol of class C, and also the class 1 is a reliable message transfer. Now we can see the class 1 model, a reliable message transfer without a result message. It send transmitter and receiver invoke request signals, and the parameters of SA, SPDA, A, UD and C and H. So the C is class type which is 1 for this class. The responder send the incoming messages and also the acknowledgement automatically. The sender on reception of acknowledgement will close the connections. The responder maintain the connection for sometimes in case if a receiver receive the duplicate transmitter receiving invoke request indication for the loss of acknowledgement. So it basic transaction of WTP class 1, no user acknowledgement, that is the class 2, it is a reliable message transfer with one result messages, that is it reliable request that respond to the transaction, and it depending on user requirement of many different scenarios are possible for initiator responder interactions. And also the transaction protocol class 2, the transaction is no user acknowledgement and no hold number. So it initiate the request, the server service using the T or invoke the request, and the WTP entity send the invoke PDU to the transponder. The transponder request with the TR invoke the indicator. The transponder send back the result of PDU to the initiator using the TR result request. The initiator indicate the successful transmission of the invoke message and the result with the within the two service primitivities. that is a transmitter and receiver invoke and transmitter and receiver result. A user respond with this transmitter and receiver result. An acknowledgement of the PDU is then generated with finally triggered trigger the TR result primitivities on the responder. So the WTP class 2 transaction user acknowledgement, the responder explicit the transponder to the invoke PDU using the TR invokes. Then the indicator trigger the TR invoke YC acknowledgement PDU. So the basic transaction of wireless transaction protocol, the class 2 which use the user acknowledgement and also the WTP, the class 2 transaction is a hold on and no user acknowledgement. It calculates the calculation the result takes. Sometimes the transponder can put the indicator on hold on to prevent a retransmission process. So the class 2 transaction under the acknowledgement, the responder explicit the response to the invoke transmission. So the invoke transmission of the PDU, that is using the transmitter and the receiver, the indicator of trigger the TR invoke the C acknowledgement PDU. So the wireless transaction protocol classes 2 transaction hold on and no user acknowledgement. If the calculation of the result takes some time, the responder can put the initiator on hold on to prevent a retransmission process. Now the we can see the message oriented and supported function of the wireless transaction service and protocols. So the next session we are going to discuss the wireless markup languages. Thank you for watching this video.